A chart is a graphic representation of numeric values. In this worksheet, I have two pivot tables and I want to visualize my data by creating charts. I can create a default chart by using the shortcut Alt F1. And here is a column chart representing the first pivot table. The best type of chart that shows the relationship between a slice and the total is a pie chart. To create a pie chart, I can go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab. I click on Pivot Chart. I select the pie category and then I select this 3D pie chart. I hit OK and here is my pie chart. I can resize it and position it wherever I want. I can also create a line chart when I have two series like coaching and training for each one of the managers. I can do that either from the Pivot Table Analyze tab or I can go to the Insert tab and then I click on Line Chart and I select the type of line chart I want to create. I can resize any chart and then format it. A common practice is to delete these buttons. These are called field buttons. You right click on one of them and you select Hide All Field Buttons on Chart. I'll do that for all the charts. To format a chart, you select the element you want to format and then you hit the shortcut Ctrl+1. I can reduce the gap between the different columns. I can also change the color so that each column has a different color. I click on this bucket icon. For the fill color, I select Vary Color by Point. You can also customize the chart title. You select it and you type, let's say, Total Amount by Manager. I will go ahead and customize the three charts I created to improve the legibility of these charts. Now that I created and formatted my charts, I can get all the information without the need of looking at the numbers in the pivot table. In the next module, we simulate a pivot table by using the GROUPBY function.